In this video, I'll detail how to fix iPhone note disappeared. So if your iPhone disappeared from your iPhone home screen, now you search for notes and you discover that it's only available here or it's not available on the top 8 like this. Or when you search through your iPhone home screen like this, you couldn't find the notes application, then I'm going to show you how to quickly restore the note application back to your iPhone. So if at the end of this, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to restore your iPhone note when disappeared from the home screen, all you just need to do is come to your Hype library. On Hype library, you want to search for notes. Then once you find the note application, press and hold it, then drag it. Just drag it to wherever you want the application to be on your iPhone home screen. Then let it go and then click outside it, and it's going to add the note application back to the home screen. So that is basically how to fix iPhone note disappeared and how you can restore it. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.